Python is a great language for cybersecurity. It's not just popular among developers for its simplicity and readability, but it also has a vast array of libraries and frameworks that make it incredibly powerful for cybersecurity tasks. It's easy to learn and use, even for beginners. Python's syntax is straightforward, which means you can start writing effective code quickly, even if you're new to programming. Python is powerful and can handle complex tasks. Whether you're analyzing network traffic, scanning for vulnerabilities, or automating repetitive tasks, Python has the capabilities to manage it all. Many libraries and tools are built for cybersecurity, making it easier to write your own hacking tools. Libraries like Scapy for network analysis or PyCrypto for cryptographic functions provide robust solutions for security professionals. Python is readable and clean, which makes it great for collaboration. Its clear syntax allows teams to understand and modify code easily, facilitating better teamwork and faster development cycles. You can share your code with others and work together. This collaborative nature is essential in cybersecurity, where sharing knowledge and tools can lead to more effective defenses against threats. Python is also cross-platform, so you can use it on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This flexibility ensures that your tools and scripts can run in any environment, making it a versatile choice for cybersecurity tasks. Python is used by security professionals worldwide. Its widespread adoption means there's a large community of experts you can turn to for support and advice. It's a valuable skill to learn if you're interested in cybersecurity. Mastering Python can open doors to numerous opportunities in the field, from penetration testing to security analysis. You can use Python to automate tasks, analyze data, and build custom tools. Automation can save time and reduce errors, while data analysis can uncover hidden patterns and insights crucial for security. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, Python is an excellent choice for cybersecurity. Its ease of use and powerful features make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their level of expertise. Its versatility and ease of use make it a powerful tool in the fight against cyber threats. With Python, you can develop innovative solutions to protect systems and data, making it an indispensable ally in cybersecurity. Ethical hacking is crucial in cybersecurity. It's about finding vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. Imagine finding a weakness in your house's security before a burglar does. That's what ethical hackers do for computer systems and networks. But there's a critical rule: always stay ethical and legal. Never hack without permission. That's like entering someone's house without asking. It's wrong and illegal. Ethical hackers get permission before testing systems. They respect privacy and data. They report vulnerabilities responsibly, helping to make the internet safer for everyone. Remember, ethical hacking is about protecting, not harming. It's about using your skills for good. As an aspiring ethical hacker, you can start by building simple yet effective tools. These tools will help you understand common vulnerabilities and security concepts. First, a port scanner. This tool identifies open doors or ports on a computer or network. Think of it like checking if doors are unlocked. Next, a brute force script. This tool tries different password combinations to guess the correct one. It highlights the importance of strong passwords. Lastly, a keylogger. This tool records every keystroke made on a system. While potentially useful for security, ethical considerations are paramount. Remember, these tools should only be used on systems you own or have permission to test.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell,
never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day.
Tool for network administrators and security professionals. Section 5. Understanding port scanning results. Now that your port scanner is running, what do the results mean? When you initiate a port scan, the tool sends packets to various ports on a target system to see which ones respond. The results can tell you a lot about the services running on the target machine. An open port means a service is listening on that port. This is crucial information because it indicates that the port is active and can potentially be accessed. It could be a web server, email server, or something else. Different services use different ports, and identifying these can help you understand the network structure. Each port has a specific purpose. For instance, port 21 is used for FTP, port 22 for SSH, and port 25 for SMTP. Knowing these can help you identify the services running on the target system. For example, port 80 is commonly used for web traffic, HTTP. This is one of the most frequently encountered ports during a scan. If port 80 is open on a target, it likely means a web server is running. This can be a critical piece of information for further investigation. However, simply knowing a port is open doesn't tell you everything. You need to dig deeper to understand the nature of the service running on that port. Further investigation is needed to determine the service and its potential vulnerabilities. This might involve banner grabbing, service fingerprinting, or even manual testing. Remember, port scanning is just the first step in assessing security. It's a preliminary measure that helps you map out the network and identify potential entry points. It's like checking if a door is unlocked. You still need to see what's behind it. Only then can you fully understand the security posture of the target system. Section 6. The ethical imperative, using your skills responsibly. With great power comes great responsibility. As you learn to build hacking tools, it's crucial to use them ethically and legally. Never use your skills to harm others, steal data, or disrupt systems. Hacking without permission is illegal and unethical. Focus on using your knowledge for good. Help others secure their systems, report vulnerabilities responsibly, and be a force for good in the cybersecurity community. Remember, ethical hackers are the good guys. They use their skills to protect, not to harm. Section 7. Legal boundaries you should know. Before you start hacking, even for ethical purposes, you need to understand the legal boundaries. Laws vary depending on your location. Generally, it's illegal to access computer systems or networks without authorization. This includes scanning, testing, or attempting to exploit vulnerabilities. Always obtain explicit permission from the owner of the system before conducting any security testing. This could be a written agreement or a clear understanding through communication. If you're unsure about the legality of your actions, consult with a legal professional specializing in cybersecurity law. It's better to be safe than sorry. Section 8. Resources for the aspiring ethical hacker. Ready to dive deeper into the world of ethical hacking? Here are some excellent resources to help you on your journey. Online platforms. Platforms like Cybersecurity and TryHackMe offer interactive labs and challenges to practice your skills in a safe and legal environment. Capture the flag competitions. CTFs are fun and challenging competitions where you solve security puzzles and exploit vulnerabilities to earn points. Books and courses. Numerous books and online courses cover ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity fundamentals. Remember, learning is a continuous process. Stay curious, keep practicing, and never stop exploring the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity.
Breaking news.
Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing ethical hacking with Python. Python is a powerful tool for ethical hackers, providing an easy-to-learn yet versatile language for building security tools. By understanding the basics of Python and ethical hacking principles, you can contribute to a safer digital world. Remember to always use your skills responsibly and ethically. Obtain proper authorization before testing systems, respect privacy, and focus on protecting, not harming. Embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and join the global community of ethical hackers working to make the internet a safer place for everyone.